Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Wells Fargo notifications for purchases, payments, or security alerts on your iPhone? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. All from your iPhone settings. First, go to your iPhone settings and then search for the Wells Fargo app and then make sure that the notifications is allow or toggled on. Tap if it's gray to turn it to green. Now look for the alert style section below it. Make sure that it is set to banners or alerts and not none. If it is none, notifications are technically allowed but nothing will appear on your screen. Also, make sure sounds and badges are also switched on below that show you hear and see the notification badges. After fixing those, go ahead and scroll back up to the top of the settings and then tap focus. Go through each focus mode you use, do not disturb, sleep, work, tap each one, then tap apps and make sure Wells Fargo is not on the list of silenced app. If it is, then remove it. Both app notification permissions and the focus mode settings must be correct. So all you've got to do is go to settings, go to Wells Fargo, allow notification style to banners, then check focus mode are on silent.